How'd you get spiders on your bed?
The windows.
But I don't get it. Why did you take out whatever was on your body? Just close the window.
Because ever since I got that thing, I'm starting to get bit by something. So when I took it off, I don't know.
This is my first interview with a murder suspect. I've got a very strong case against Black.
Yeah.
You're okay with like bed bugs and stuff like that?
I don't have bed bugs.
But they could bite. Okay.
Do you get bed bugs?
No.
Okay.
Hey, sorry.
So you
You get bed bugs in my bed?
Dude, come on. I'm just looking.
No,
I want to see all the Disney.
That's only on Thursday you can go look at my stuff. Not right now.
I'm not going to take anything out.
Just make yourself at home, Katie.
I'm looking. I'm not even touching it.
Yeah? Okay.
Where's that?
Well, I'm taking very long, and I need to talk to you about some things.
What are you doing?
You want to talk to me about this?
It's a bandolier.
So that's for one. Then his back hurts and he wears a vest.
He wears this?
He does.
What's this really for? For that?
Yes, for your back. Yeah.
I never seen one. I seen one that goes around your here.
Back.
No,
be careful because it's boxing in a fall.
I know, it's okay. I got it. Nothing's gonna fall.
I was nervous, struck out. I mean, it's alright.
Did you just take it?
Pretty direct. Yeah, I know. You got a solid case on it. You don't want to talk to us?
Poor Wayne. How does that
Doing it on
make?
purpose with the camera. That's why.
How does that make you feel, man?
Miserable. Everything's out.
You may feel miserable, but at least you look good feeling that way, right?
Yeah, I know.
Just go through every little zipper, every pocket, right?
We didn't get a voluntary statement.
Yeah, I just want to see. That's all. You know.
You smell so.
He's got him. You know. Maybe that's the reason why.
I know.
I know what it means too. You know. I'm not being cheesy. I just want to see. What key does this go to?
That's my house key, so I won't lose it. I mean, it's so big.
Damn,
There he
the
is.
USB and everything.
Redondo gets good news from 1,000 miles away.
I got a call